Welcome back. For the first time ever, Sunstone Engineering has released a software upgrade for its mPulse Tru-Fire. So I'm going to record the process and share with you. I hope you enjoy this. Here I've got the scan disk, which is the floppy disk scan disk. I'm going to record, and that is needed to go to the back of the welder. And since this is a MacBook, the dongle, I've got it here, and got this inserted. I'm going to allow this accessory, allow. Okay, so it's got instructions, but I'm going to film it, and here is the update version 2. Let's see what this says. Okay, we want version 2. Oh, okay. It's got, I wish they would put it in a video. So let's do this. Download it. Download anyway. Okay. So it's here. Download. I basically want it on my drive. No name. Scan disk. Okay. Okay. So that is on it. Okay, so now I'm going to eject my USB scan disk. Make sure it's done safely. Great. Okay, now I'm going to move this to the side. All right, so I've done this. I'm going to turn this on. Oh, I'm going to put this up close. I love the sound of this. I love it. It's bougie. Okay. Great. Now, what we're going to do is put this here. Let me see if you can see that. USB. Perfect. So I've got this inserted like such. And then here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go to, I remember going to settings and systems. Update welder. Copying, updating file. This is promising. Okay, so that's all that it takes. I've downloaded the information into the USB and put it in the back. And here it says, do we want, oops, I haven't done anything. Okay, so it was on automatic and it's going. Oh. So it says to cancel that, but let me just double check. Okay, it says here press cancel. I'm going to press cancel so that it doesn't use that. And okay, that's all that it was. That was very fast, way better than a lot of my other things. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the scan disk, but I'm going to power off first. And then I'm going to take this off. Okay. And then we are ready to go again. Okay, so I noticed this is new since the update. So I'm going to press this, and basically the main benefit is it now stores templates for your power settings. So for example, I know I do a lot of gold filled, and this is 1420 yellow gold filled, and you'll see as 24 gauge, it's 6 watts, 26 gauge, and also I find this is true. I like the higher power setting rather than 3. So, and if it's thicker, I have a power chart where I've tested it out, and this is very similar. In this way, you don't have to have a chart next to you, and you don't have it memorized. Okay, so then when you exit, it's automatically there. And say, for instance, the next customer is coming in with sterling silver. I do a lot of 26 gauge. It's 5.5. There. So it is a lot easier without having to fumble. Let's see. Oh, karat gold, yellow. Oh, okay. And yes, yellow gold is softer than gold filled. So this is really good. And I wonder what other is. Oh, stainless steel. If you do that, I like this. It has all sorts of other metals. And I get often asked, what is the best setting? So it's got a built-in chart without having, well, it looks way better than a chart. And it has it all set like this. And you're ready to go. So that's a great feature. And I don't think any other welder has that like this with such precision. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, please like and subscribe. Stones and Findings is a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, as well as a leading distributor for Sunstone micro welders. I'm going to leave more information below.